Here I have ZTE Axon 20 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see ZTE logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume down. And after that you will end up in this factory testing mode. So if you want to quit this mode, do as it says. To exit, please long press the power key. Avoid pressing the volume down key when turning on. Okay, no problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.